DoNotPay, iLegal document pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think creating legal documents requires expensive lawyers. The surprising truth is that DoNotPay can generate legally valid contracts and forms in minutes, saving both time and money. DoNotPay offers AI-powered legal document generation through a subscription model, starting at per month. This gives unlimited access to contracts, letters, and other legal documents, along with guidance for editing, signing, and submitting them. For example, a freelancer can use DoNotPay to draft a client contract in minutes, customize it to their situation, and ensure it meets legal standards. The AI walks users step by step, reducing errors that often happen when using free templates. Most people assume AI documents aren't reliable, but DoNotPay's platform is designed to create legally sound forms for everyday needs. While it's not a replacement for specialized legal advice in complex cases, it's perfect for routine contracts, letters, and consumer legal actions. In conclusion, DoNotPay, iLegal document service provides strong value. Affordable, fast, and reliable, it gives individuals and small businesses a practical way to handle legal paperwork without the high cost of traditional legal services.